Here's another crop of sable miners, and as you can tell, the tower is starting to do its thing, which is perfect because we're right here. And earlier I had a shot with it singing, but you can't miss the sound now, so I will shut up and I'll get you some views. What time is it? Is it on the half of the hour or top of the hour? It's 11? Okay, so it must do things at the top of the hour. Yeah, there we go. So it's going to bong 11 times. So, and I think it also does half hour, like at the midpoint of the hour. So there's a nice little view here, a little pond. So yeah, 11 bells and all is pretty here. Oh, getting a little glare. Hold on, let me move. There, that glare's going away now. All right, so there is the tower in action. It's not actually doing its Carolina thing, but it can certainly impressive. All right, so heck, I'll let it do all 11 bells. What the hell? Oh, you know what? We can walk over this way. Maybe I can get you another vista. And I apologize if the camera's shaking. Try to steady it. I love the fact that there's such a great view. So here we're coming out to where we can see that this is like a due south view. And there's lots of citrus out that way. So, and an expansive grounds before you get to the drop off. Oh good, Carolina, I'll shut up.